The Negro, the mentally dead Ethiopian, wants everybody of other races to like him or her, but this everybody like me road does not lead to liberation and well-being. If someone dislikes you because you want liberation and desire freedom for yourself and your race, that person is your enemy. If anyone hates you because you advocate separation and speak preservation for yourself and your race, that person is your enemy.
Channel, I'm gonna look in that camera right there and let everybody know my husband is not a racist. Boom.
everybody else said.
Again, for me, that wasn't a thing that filters through my mind.
Yeah.
I don't know, I guess people do think like that.
Listen to reason. Laws are instruments and beings too that help keep organisms, including organizations, societies, civilizations, and cultures, in order and order of sequence. And therefore, when laws are disregarded or broken, there is breakdown in order, peace, and well-being for people. This holds true whether the law be those of nature, natural law, or those of nature's people, man-made law. However, man-made law and activities may work against the reasonability and responsibility, natural process of nature law, and when this occurs, nature eventually takes steps to correct that breach of law by disaster, disease, or some other suffering or death. So it is in people's best interest to learn what the laws of nature are, accept them, and adhere to them, for the laws of nature are the supreme laws of the land and existence in all of its infinity and eternity.